Have you ever wondered why cheddar cheese is one of the most popular cheeses in the world? From burgers and sandwiches to macaroni and cheese, cheddar seems to be everywhere. But what exactly makes cheddar cheese so special? Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about cheddar cheese, including how it's made, why it tastes different from other cheeses, and whether it's actually good for you. Let's get started. Cheddar cheese originated in the village of Cheddar in Somerset, England, hundreds of years ago. Over time, it became one of the most widely produced cheeses in the world and is now enjoyed in countless countries. But what makes cheddar unique? The answer lies in a process called cheddaring. During production, milk is heated and mixed with special cultures and enzymes. Once the milk forms curds, the curds are cut, cooked, and stacked repeatedly. This stacking process removes moisture and creates cheddar's distinctive texture. That's where the name cheddar comes from. Now let's talk about flavor. Not all cheddar tastes the same. Young cheddar is typically mild, creamy, and slightly buttery. It's often used in sandwiches, grilled cheese, and everyday cooking. As cheddar ages, its flavor becomes sharper, richer, and more complex. Medium cheddar usually ages for several months. Sharp cheddar may age for a year or longer. Extra sharp cheddar can age for several years, developing a stronger flavor and a slightly crumbly texture. Some aged cheddars even develop tiny, crunchy crystals that cheese lovers consider a sign of quality. Now let's discuss nutrition. Cheddar cheese contains several important nutrients. It's a good source of protein, which helps support muscle maintenance and growth. It's also rich in calcium, an essential mineral for strong bones and teeth. Cheddar provides vitamin B12, phosphorus, zinc, and other nutrients your body needs. A 1-ounce serving typically contains about 7 grams of protein and a significant amount of calcium. However, cheddar cheese is also relatively high in calories, saturated fat, and sodium. That's why moderation is important. When enjoyed as part of a balanced diet, cheddar can absolutely fit into a healthy eating plan. Now let's talk about how people use cheddar cheese. One reason for its popularity is its versatility. Cheddar melts beautifully, making it ideal for burgers, nachos, quesadillas, macaroni and cheese, casseroles, and baked dishes. It's also delicious sliced onto crackers, added to sandwiches, or served on cheese boards. Many people don't realize there are different colors of cheddar as well. White cheddar and orange cheddar are usually very similar in flavor. The orange color often comes from a natural coloring called annatto, which is derived from seeds. The color difference doesn't necessarily mean one tastes better than the other. So is cheddar cheese healthy? The answer is yes, when eaten in reasonable amounts. It provides protein, calcium, and important nutrients while offering rich flavor that many people love. The key is balancing it with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other nutrient-rich foods. So the next time you enjoy a slice of cheddar on a sandwich or melt it over your favorite meal, you'll know exactly why this famous cheese has remained a favorite around the world for centuries. And that's cheddar cheese explained.